Come, just one word that draws the eye instantly to the statue of Jesus with wide open arms on the dome of St. Peter's, Bandra. A welcome invitation in the light of today's Gospel. Come is also how Jesus called his first disciples. They listened, dropped their nets, and followed him. Jesus was revealing to them his plan beyond their imagination. And when they responded, they realized how blessed they were. Jesus promises us to rest too. Who does not need rest? Rest from the daily drudgery of traveling in overcrowded trains and buses. Rest after toiling from sunrise to sunset to provide for the family. Rest from sickness. Rest from emotional stress. There is also the fear of losing one's job. Indeed, a host of fear assails us. Jesus' invitation is balm for the soul. There are many who promise peace and rest. Thousands are drawn to them, even considering them goldmen, until the day when they are unmasked and their subdued secrets exposed. Jesus, on the other hand, is the leader par excellence. The evidence of 2000 years is no small matter. Spending time in prayer with him, who is gentle and lovely in heart, is all we need to receive the promised rest. Fruit. When I am tired of life's many challenges, I will not seek rest elsewhere, but at the Lord's